Okay. That's all right. Just keep an eye on it. Just get the right feel. Just put your hands on the steering wheel.
No.
What are you reaching for?
Oh, whoa. Hey,
get out of the car, man. You got a gun right there.
Whoa.
Get out of the
There's
car.
rights. There's rights to this.
Get out.
There are rights to this.
Do you have a concealed
There are
carry?
rights to this. Whoa.
Get out.
Hold up right there.
It's open. My hands are up. My hands are up. No.
No, you gotta.
This is on body cam. You have a body cam, sir?
Put
Do you
your
have a body
hands
cam?
over your eyes.
Do you have a body cam?
Put your hand over
Do you
your
have
eyes.
a body cam, sir?
Put your hands over
Do you
your
have a body
eyes.
cam, sir? Yeah, you're gonna
I will send this dog on you.
I will shoot you
Hey,
if you do.
don't
Don't.
fucking drop that gun.
You have rights.
Put your hand.
Hey, you have rights too. You have rights
Don't
too.
you dare.
You have rights. You
Right.
cannot
Don't you
shoot me
dare.
here.
You
This is
need to be-
unconstitutional. You know that.
Right, you have
Whoa.
a weapon,
Hey.
okay?
Yes, I
Don't.
do. And it's
Don't.
What I need you to do.
Hey, you guys
listen.
are grabbing me on this. Is also unconstitutional. Body cam request.
Can you quit yelling so I can talk to you?
You have a gun
need more
for me,
units
sir.
right now.
I need you to relax for me,
I
okay?
will shoot you if this is possible. That's a threat and so open threat. You have no body cam. You know this.
He has a
My
body
hands are open.
camera.
My hands are open. My hands are open.
You need to get out of the
No,
car
I
so
do
we
not.
can remove you
I
from
do
that
not.
weapon.
You cannot. No, it is constitutionally owned. I see that.
Do you have a concealed carry permit?
It's not concealed.
Yes,
You
you
can
did.
see the weapon. It's right there.
Don't
Body
do
cam.
it.
Body.
Okay.
What are you afraid of?
Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything.
Do me a favor. Just please step out of the car. That's all we're asking you to
Oh,
do.
you're asking me not to take guns.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Conceal your weapons, please.
No.
This is how we
Get out of
treat each
the
other
car.
civilly.
Please.
This is how we act civilly. You know
Sir.
this. Right eye. Right eye.
You got cover?
No. Just
Yes, we do.
don't. Just
Do
please.
you have body cam?
Please.
Do you have body cam? Do not forcibly remove
Do not.
me.
Don't. Do it.
You know
Don't.
that. You know that. That's not
Please.
I need you to get out of the car.
Ben, house.
Hey, I see double blue, sir. Are you gonna shoot me on double blue?
Just relax.
No,
Please
just relax. Hey,
just
there's
please
rights
get out of
to
the car.
this. There's rights to this. You know there are rights to
Listen,
this.
we can figure this out.
We can talk about this,
Oh,
okay?
that's how you
But right
feel
now,
about this.
we can't
Listen.
talk about it with you not listening to us.
Just,
Well, now listen, you are forcibly grabbed.
all I'm asking you to
You're
do,
violating my rights right now. Let go of me.
You just put your hand on a gun.
sir,
Whoa, no, you pulled a gun on me unconstitutionally.
Please.
And I did my in response.
Oh, we don't want to
Please.
do this, man.
just get out of the car. I'm just asking. We'll get this figured out. Just come out and just get out of the
You
car.
release me now.
can't do that.
Release it. I have Second Amendment rights, David.
Okay, just get out of the car. Come on, come back here. We'll
Excuse
talk
me?
about it.
Excuse me. This right here is the reason
We'll
to
get
defend
this-
myself against doctrine. You know that.
We'll get this figured out. Don't do it. Please, just come on.
Get out of the car, sir.
Just get out of the car. Just step out.
The gun's down.
No, just step out.
Get out of the car.
Just step out of the car. Just don't do it.
Get out of the car.
You're on double blue. You know what's gonna happen, right?
Just stop.
You need to get out of the car. That's
No, I
a lawful
don't.
order. You're going to go to
What a
jail.
gunpoint. Oh, take me to jail. Then go ahead.
Just come
Now
on.
you're obstructing.
I can't.
No, you're obstructing. You're pointing a gun at me, sir. Right now, my life's in threat.
Okay. Well, we have.
I don't even see body cam on this, sir. I'm just gonna drive away.
We-
I'm not gonna bother anybody.
No, you're
Hands
not.
on the seat.
Don't do this.
Don't.
Don't do it. Don't.